Guys, on my previous video, I got a few questions and some answers on a few of the things that I was having issues with. And I was trying to see underneath the dash what else is going on here during the day so I can actually see more things. And here's that little beeper right here. I'm still not sure what that is. I don't think it's an antenna because antennas usually have one wire, like a GPS antenna, for example, or a series, but this is two wires, so maybe it's some kind of beeper for something. I'm not sure what that's for. Some of the wires right here are for the trailer brake, which is installed in here. I'm still not sure what these spliced wires are for. And I saw there's this box right there. Maybe that's the factory alarm system. There's no sticker on it. There's no number on it that I can see. I mean, there's something here, but I'm not sure if I can get to it. Some kind of sticker with the number on it. Maybe a part number of some sort. But there's no brand, no nothing, so I'm not sure if that's factory alarm system maybe, or something aftermarket. Maybe it's part of the trailer brake system, could possibly be. And one more thing I noticed is there's some cut wires right here on the bottom. And one right here. And this looks like it's factory, like something was installed here factory. And maybe if this is the trailer hitch, part of the trailer hitch, trailer brake system, maybe this was part of the factory alarm system. And that is likely why maybe my remote doesn't go into, the truck doesn't go into program mode. That could possibly be the reason why. So I'm gonna look into it on Google, see if I can find a wiring diagram for this truck. And also I'm gonna see if I can find the fuse box layout as well, so I can see which fuses are for what, because I don't have a cover on this fuse box cover. On this fuse box, I don't have a cover. And there's no paper anywhere for this fuse box. Usually I think there's one at like a little pouch in here that has a little paper with the diagram. So I'll have to look that up online. And charging the batteries, they're brand new, but I'm charging them to make sure they're topped off because I won't be driving it for maybe a week. So yeah, just a few more things that I have to deal with, try to figure out. Thank you guys for those who replied with some info and some ideas of what it could be or how to resolve some issues here and there. So that's what I have right now. I'll reply to those comments when I get a chance, but thought I'll share a better view underneath the dash to see if that will give you guys a better idea of what's going on, and maybe you guys will understand it better and maybe know exactly what's going on there. I'm not a professional, this is just a hobby of mine. I'm not an expert of really anything, just basically do things as I go. But some of you guys, you know your stuff pretty well, so I gotta give you props for that. So guys, thank you for watching this short little video. Appreciate all the comments and advice, and we'll see you guys in the next one.